Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this tool. In this video, we're taking a look at Quick Credit, a website found at quickcredit.com. This exploration will dive into what the platform offers, considering its potential benefits and drawbacks. My goal is to provide you with enough information to determine if Quick Credit is a suitable option for your needs. I'll be detailing my own experience navigating the site and exploring the services they advertise. It's important to remember that financial decisions should be made carefully, and I encourage you to conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before committing to any financial product. Understanding the terms, conditions, and implications of any loan or credit agreement is crucial. I'll do my best to outline some key aspects based on my interaction with the Quick Credit website, but your own due diligence is paramount. This video is not financial advice, it's simply a walkthrough of my experience exploring the Quick Credit platform. Remember to carefully assess your own financial situation and needs before making any decisions. There are numerous factors to consider when exploring short-term loan options, and Quick Credit might be just one possibility among many. We'll look at the information presented on their website, attempting to decipher the details and provide a clear overview. This analysis is not an endorsement or condemnation of Quick Credit, but rather an exploration of what they offer, presented in an accessible way. My hope is that this walkthrough will save you some time and effort in your own research. Don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to address them. Remember, responsible financial planning is essential, so take your time, explore all available options, and make informed decisions. Let's dive into quickcredit.com and see what they have to offer.